glowing in the dark, staring at the screen, trying to time the perfect mark. Took a big lot, heart beating too fast. Market turned quick, stop, lost, couldn't last. Felt like the game had a lock on my soul. Every L took another piece, made me cold. But I had to step back, had to shift my view, cause I never seen a trader quit and still break through. I never seen a trader quit. No. They take the lessons, then they flip. The market don't love you, but it's real. It's real. You gotta learn to move with skill. Let's go. I started moving different, wrist tight, vision clear. No more revenge trades, I just let the scanner steer. 750 edge gave me tools to survive. Turn my pain into profit, now the money stay live. No more FOMO, no more stressing. I cut my losses, I respect the lesson. Now I teach them how to trade with precision, cause I never seen a trader quit and still win it. I never seen a trader quit. They take the lessons, then they flip. The market don't love you, but it's real. It's real. You gotta learn to move with skill. Let's go. Some gave up, walked away from the game. Didn't have the patience, couldn't take all the pain. But the real ones, we adapt and remain. Cause you don't win this shit by luck, it's a strategy thing. I never seen a trader quit and still win. You either learn the game or get played by. I made my choice, and now I teach. 750 Club, beyond the charts, beyond a doubt. This ain't for the weak, let's get it.
All right. Let's get into it, y'all. I just wanted you guys to, just feel the vibe as we into this new week into trading on this live market analysis. Your boy Deanna Roy. I'm just chilling this Sunday, seeing what the market is giving us. Right now, we are looking at gold on a 15-minute chart. And some might say, well, ooh, man, the chart just opened up today at 5 o'clock. Man, at 6 p.m., man, we could get in for this buy and take this whole thing up. Well, if you don't have the actual scanners itself, if you don't have access to the 750 edge and the 750 edge razor, this is what you're looking at on a 15-minute chart, on the hour chart, on gold, on the 5-minute chart. So with just the naked eye, without any type of congruence or anything, support structure or marking up any of the charts, you don't want to just jump into any type of trade and just put your money anywhere in the market without, having some type of analysis first. So with us having access to the 750 edge, we look at the market with the edge. So for us, we knew we were in a buyer's market back on Friday, and we got into this market on the buying trade here on confirmation. And how do we know? Because all of our EMAs are lined up perfectly. When they're all lined up perfectly, once we get the alert, we wait for the pullback, and then we get into the trade. So we've been into this trade since Friday. This is just a continuation of the trade itself. But this is how we use the scanner. We don't look to make money and, hey, I want to replace my income with this. We trade for the long haul. And when I say we trade for the long haul, we are investors. And as investors, we are looking for returns on our investing to grow over time. Do we withdraw? Yes, some people do withdraw, but as investors, we are looking to, take the profits, reinvest the profits, and watch them even compound even faster. So that's what we're doing here with gold when we use the 750 edge and the 750 edge razor. You guys probably saw me go over to NAS because I always uh, trade NAS Monday through Friday as well. But just to pull it up on the chart on Sunday and see where we currently are. Now, with us as a team, when we are looking at NAS on the chart, we are currently seeing a buyer's market. And why do we say just looking at it, we call it a buyer's market? Because we look at our active EMAs and it tells us the momentum of the big markets, the money makers, the banks, the institutions. So we follow and trade with the institutions. So with that being said, yes, this is saying it's a pre-sale, but that is just basically alerting us that the market may be shifting and may be turning to a downtrend. But we, as a group, we would never um, get into a sale at this point when we see our strong structure is a buying structure. So we look for retracements, and off the retracement, we look for the buy opportunity and buy back in right on the top of the flow of the aqua and take it back up again. But that's how we use the EMAs. We don't just take a confirmed buy or confirmed sale or confirmed pre-sale or confirmed pre-buy and jump right in. We have a community that we know how to use these in harmony and are actually productive with our investments and so that they compound. And that's what we welcome to the community. But that's the 750 edge. Now, if I cut the 750 edge razor on and I cut the 750 edge off, there's a difference. And why is there such a difference? Well, indices, Bitcoin, um, those move a lot different than Forex, than stocks. So you can't have the same indicator uh, calling your sales and buys all across the board. That just won't work. That's just not logical, and it's not algorithmically possible for one particular algorithm to do it all across all the board. So the 750 edge razor is tapered back for the stock market, for Forex. Like just say if we looked at USD CAD, I'm just pulling it up just to show us. So we go to USC CAD in foreign exchange market, then we see a confirmed sale, which was Friday. We got the confirmed sale. We wait for the pullback, and then we take the sale, and that's what you see. How the actual tool works. Now, if I was to cut the edge on, um, the edge would probably not even pick up anything. So if I cut off the 750 edge razor, and you're looking at the 750 edge, there's nothing. The algorithm is not picking up. It's not moving fast enough for it to even be selected. So you have to be, selective in what you're trading. Are you trading the stock market? Are you trading Forex? So if I went to Apple, just say if I went to Apple, of course, because I'm on my Mac, um, and we pulled up Apple uh, on the 750 edge, it probably is not fast enough. It's not the EMAs are there, but it's not calling any alerts. Uh, but if I cut it off, and then I cut on the slower moving algorithm with the razor, like I call it the razors, like getting a haircut. When you get your haircut, they cut it off with the big razors, but when it's time to get the lining, they got to slow it down. We get this lining and take their time. That's what the edge razor is taking its time, and it's going to get you your pips still, but it's taking its time to do so, and it's tapered back. So I just pulled up Apple, as you can see here. There's a confirmed buy on Apple. Uh, there's a pull back on the same candle, and just took off from that point in. Then the pre-sale basically is telling you, hey, the momentum is changing direction. It came down and hit the aqua, and those who sing with us, we know when it bounces off the aqua, what's going on. So that is what we do here in our community with Be Honest and Beyond the 750 Club with the 750 Edge with the live market analysis. So any chart that you pull up, you can use the actual 750 Edge razor, the 750 Edge on either pair. on any time chart you can use it on, and it will work just as efficiently as long as you are using these EMAs in actual harmony. If they're out of harmony, then we won't trade. We will not put our money in anything in disharmony. And how do we know what disharmony is? That's what we meet for on Wednesdays, where we have our EMA trainings. We do those actually live. We have those live trainings here on YouTube as well, but we also have our community where we do that. And if you would like access, because we are opening up 3 more slots this week for access to the scanner, the 750 Edge and the 750 Edge Razor. So if you want access to that this week, then comment the word Edge down in the comments below, and we will be sure to get back with you to show you how you can start using the 750 Edge and the 750 Edge Razor for your sales and your trading community. So with that, we're going to sign off. Appreciate you giving us 15 minutes of your time, and we're going to get it out here. Appreciate it.
I done took some lost blue accounts. Thought about walking away, but I never seen a real trader quit. Nah. I remember late nights, charts glowing in the dark, staring at the screen, trying to time the perfect mark. Took a big lot, heart beating too fast. Market turned quick, stop loss, couldn't last. Felt like the game had a lock on my soul. Every L took another piece, made me cold. But I had to step back, had to shift my view, cause I never seen a trader quit and still break through. I never seen a trader quit. They take the lessons, then they flip. The market don't love you, but it's real. It's real. You gotta learn to move with skill. Let's go. I started moving different. Wrist tight, vision clear. No more revenge trades, I just let the scanner steer. 750 Edge gave me tools to survive. Turn my pain into profit, now the money stay live. No more FOMO, no more stressing. I cut my losses, I respect the lesson. Now I teach them how to trade with precision, cause I never seen a trader quit and still win it. I never seen a trader quit. They take the lessons, then they flip.
Saw this.
The market don't love you, but it's real.
But I will tell you,
You gotta learn to move
better
with
pull
skill.
back.
Let's go.
Don't.
Some gave
But
up, walked
we're
away
gonna
from
set
the
you
game.
up.
Didn't have the
Set it right here. We're
patience,
gonna
couldn't take all the pain.
battle right there.
But the real ones, we
Let's go.
adapt and
Got it.
remain. Cause you
Come
don't
into
win
that.
shit by luck, it's a strategy thing.
This is gonna take off. How you
I
so
never seen a trader quit and still win.
boom.
You either learn the game or get played by.
It just dropped off of it. So
I made my
you
choice,
see right there. Boom.
and now I
That's
teach.
off. So you made some money right quick.
750 Club,
What I
beyond the
tell you
charts,
to do?
beyond the
Told
top.
you
This
go come
ain't
touch
for the
the red
weak.
line. Set it
Let's
your
get it.
your battle at the red line and take off on that. Did I tell y'all that or not? I told y'all that was going to happen right before. So if you follow me when I'm telling you, you get access to the EMA, the strategy that we use here at the 50 Club. You gonna come back and do it again? I'm going, y'all. Oh yeah, the link's at the bottom. Get 7 days free access. Y'all get beyondthis.com/.